Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Oppo phone for a factory reset. Charge the battery to at least 50% to avoid interruptions during the process. Back up your contacts, photos, messages, and app data to cloud storage or to a computer using one USB cable. Note your Google or Oppo account credentials because you will need them after the reset. Remove external SD cards and unpair Bluetooth devices to protect data and simplify the reset. Allow about 10 minutes for preparation before proceeding. Open Settings and scroll to Additional Settings to start the factory reset. Tap Backup and Reset and confirm you have saved important data elsewhere. Choose Erase All Data and review the list of items that will be removed from the device. Confirm the action by entering your PIN or password when prompted to proceed. Tap Delete All and allow the phone to reboot automatically. The reset will complete in about 10 minutes. After reboot, follow the on-screen setup instructions to log in and restore data. If the phone is unresponsive, use recovery mode to perform a factory reset. Power off the phone completely and then hold the power button and volume down button together. Release the buttons when the Oppo logo appears and wait for the recovery menu to load. Use the volume keys to navigate and select Wipe Data to erase user data from the device. Confirm the action and allow the process to finish. This usually takes a few minutes. When done, choose Reboot System Now, and then sign in and restore your backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.